Okay, so once we're done with this scene, let's proceed to your animation. So we have the instruction here, which is go to timeline to frame 100 and then click and drag down the highlight frame from all the layers, just like this. So we have an example here, which is we have the layer for the flowers, stem, cloud, and the background. So we will animate the clouds first. Okay. Then we have the loop icon, so we can play it and loop mode. Okay, so let's start for the basic animation. We'll open the program, create the standard like this. So I will zoom out and then I will add my background. Then this one, the light blue. And then I will lock this one and then go. I'll proceed to layer 2. I will add my brush here and then go to properties. And then yeah, I will select the decorative one and then the elegant and curve. Then just double click and then I can close this one. So I will choose this one. So if you want to select other one like this, and just easily drop down this one. We'll select the cloudy half. Okay, we'll increase the stroke for my cloud. I will change the color for white. This one. Now I will zoom in or zoom out for my layer. So I'll give you an example. I will click the layer 30 and then press F6 like that, and then click the layer background, press F6 like this one. Okay, so you will notice that if we click this one, we can move it here like that, and then click the 1 second, click here. So once we drag this one, you'll notice that your cloud is moving. Okay, like that. So we can do frame by frame animation with this one. So first I will remove this one, remove frame, this one. So for the background, since it's not moving, I will click it to 1 second, and then this one I will move my clouds here like that, and then press F6. You will notice that it will add a frame here, and then I will move this one. So if you want to trace your animation, you can just click the onion skin outline or this one. So you will notice, drag it here, you will notice your object shadow for this one. And then let's go back to this one, F6, 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 function key 6 in your keyboard. Okay, F6, and so on. So once you click this one, the onion skin, drag here, you will notice your object shadow, F6 and then F6 like this. So if you want to play this one, we have the play button, which is here, that one, and then we have the loop, and then drag it here and then play like that. So that's your animated cloud. So that's 1 second. Okay, so we have frame by frame animation here. Okay, that's for looping. Okay, so let me repeat the procedure. I'll remove this one. So for the background, click 1 second, or of course in the module it's 100 seconds, so it's here. So you can zoom in or zoom out. So for this demonstration, I will just show you the 30-second or 30 frame per second, which is 1 second animation only. So I'll click the background, F6, like that. And then for the cloud, click the cloud, F6, and then move F6, F6, F6. If you want to view your object shadow, click the onion skin, and then you can just easily drag this one to 1 second. And then continue, F6, move your object, F6. Like this. Also, you can change the track of your object. Example, you can drop it down, F6, drop down like this. Okay. After that, you can play this one, play. Okay. For the loop, like that. So select the frame you want to loop and then play, like that. That's for the basic animation. So you will add that to your scene here, which is you need to animate your cloud and your flower.